Hello, my name is Pamela Stephenson. I am a teacher at Cram Elementary School in Highland, California. I have always taught nutrition education in the classroom because I firmly believe that it is the foundation for optimal learning. Keeping blood sugars level and tummies satisfied helps students to focus on their academic goals. I believe an early foundation will carry forward in life by teaching my students why nutrition is important and how to make healthier food choices. Nutrition education doesn't have to be difficult. Using Dairy Council of California's free, science-based nutrition resources, I can teach nutrition while still covering Common Core standards and addressing the social-emotional learning needs of my students. My students enjoy these essential life skills. For instance, previous students have enjoyed writing poems for our local Citrus Harvest Festival competitions and making soup with healthy natural resources like quinoa and vegetables. As an educator and advocate for student and community health, I encourage you to give the Dairy Council of California's curriculum a go. You will find it very teacher and student friendly.
Let's Eat Healthy is brought to you by Dairy Council of California. Join the Let's Eat Healthy movement at healthyeating.org.